Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to hide your apps, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open up your settings. In settings, just go for screen time, and from here you just have to select the content and privacy restrictions, and you will get the allowed apps and features, and here you will get all of your system apps or your phone's app. You can easily hide anyone from here. For example, I'm going to hide my camera. You can see there's my camera app, but I'm going to hide it. So you just have to simply turn off this toggle, and once you have turned off, your camera app will be hidden from your home screen and your library. Even you can search your camera app. So you can see that this app has been disabled or it is not available in your home screen or your app library. So now if you want to get it back, you just have to open up the settings again, and here you have to enable this toggle for your camera, and you will get your camera app. Or if you want to hide your social media apps, and for example I'm going to hide my Instagram, so you must have to check for the age restriction for your Instagram. So open up your app store, and here you have to simply search for Instagram, and you will get the age which is 30 years plus. So now let's see how can you easily hide your specific app. So you must have to open up your settings. In settings, go for screen time, then go for content and privacy restrictions, and here you just have to look for app store, media, and web and games. So simply select that option, and you will get the apps section here. Select that, then select age rating, and from here you just have to select your 4 plus. So once you have selected 4 plus, so it will restrict or disable all of the apps which are more greater than 4 plus. You can see these all apps successfully are hidden from my home screen and app library. So now if you want to get them back, you just have to open that page again, and then select the unrated or your 18 plus, which one you want to select. And once you have selected, you will get all of the apps on your home screen or your app library. So in this way you can easily hide any app on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.